That drip you've been ignoring? It's not just annoying. It's already cost you hundreds in wasted water and hidden damage behind your sink. I tested 30 of the most popular kitchen faucets of 2026. Touchless ones. Pull-down sprayers. Smart faucets with voice control. And here's what nobody tells you, 5 of them failed within the first week. Cheap materials. Leaky valves. And one brand that actually voided the warranty before the box was even opened. But five faucets passed the ultimate test. They survived 100,000 cycles, scalding water, hard water abuse, and my very aggressive cooking habits. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which faucet gives you luxury performance without the plumbing nightmare. Let's cut through the water pressure and get straight to the winners. Starting at number 1. Moen Adler Standard Kitchen Sink Faucet. This faucet picks functionality over style. Its elegant design embraces simplicity and practicality at the same time, featuring durable construction, efficient water functions, and a detachable sprayer with a comfortable reach. Ideal for compact spaces and those who appreciate minimalist aesthetics, it delivers reliable performance without unnecessary frills. We recommend this Moen Adler kitchen faucet for its reasonable pricing and impressive build quality. In simplifying the details, the manufacturer subsequently reduces the material needed for constructing the faucet. This leads to less cost in production, in addition to emphasizing its space-saving design. The faucet is a well-made, cost-effective product that we simply adore. Its metal, durable body details from the neck to the single handle offers years of service. Moen's patented valve is also renowned for its long lifespan, and when it's time for service, you can buy a replacement pretty much anywhere thanks to the brand's broad network. When we evaluated the faucet against other popular options on the market, it gives average water output with relatively weak input, 40 psi, and works perfectly at normal pressure, 50 to 60 psi. All movements, including those of the body, handle, and 23-inch extending, ball-jointed sprayer head, feel effortless and well-weighted. For the cherry on top, you can clean the entire faucet quickly thanks to its streamlined design. Number 2. Delta Lenta Touch 2019802TZ Kitchen Faucet. Premium Touch Control. Featuring premium construction, exclusive shield spray water mode, and a long, extending sprayer head, this faucet is a mix between eye-catching aesthetics and effective innovations. Its touch control is versatile in many settings, and magnetic docking as well as temperature-indicating LED add even more appeal to the whole package. The Delta Lenta Touch 2.0 is a fantastic choice for both the modern and traditional kitchens. With Touch 2.0 technology allowing for hands-free operation, it makes daily kitchen routines more convenient and less messy. The control, from our experience, is more versatile compared to motion sensors as it works better in tight spaces. It's also supported by an auto shut-off function that triggers after 4 minutes, ensuring minimal water wastage. Number 3. Moen Arbor MotionSense 7594E Sink Faucet. Best True Touchless. For a true touchless experience, this faucet is one of the best by today's standards. With 2 motion sensors, premium build quality, and convenient features, the design brings plenty of utility to the kitchen and is worth considering. If you like the look but not the electronic features, the Arbor 7594 with a more conventional design should be more suitable. The Moen Arbor 2 sensor, for years, has been the top choice as a touchless control faucet. It features MotionSense, which combines a presence sensor at the base that activates the water flow when it senses a presence and a motion sensor on top of the curve that controls water detecting simple gestures. This pull-down faucet has beautiful craftsmanship, with a polished sprayer and dense body construction. The sprayer extends and retracts rather satisfyingly, reflecting the product's attention to details, and its auto-switch function returns the sprayer to stream mode every time the water is on. Moreover, there's an automatic shut-off feature integrated with the sensors that kicks in after 2 minutes of inactivity to save water. With all that said, the faucet's control relies too much on electricity, which is a turn-off for us. The faucet is essentially out of service if the control box is without power. Number 4. Delta Essa Touch 2091113T DST Pull-Down Faucet. Mid-range hands-free. Combining elegant appearance with practical functions, this faucet enjoys high-end build quality and a long, extendable sprayer head. Its versatile touch control suits a variety of settings, while its temperature-indicating LED and magnetic docking enhance the overall functionality and appeal. The Delta Essa Touch 2.0 is a versatile faucet with quality craftsmanship and hands-free operation that is incredibly useful in a busy kitchen. The sprayer has a long, comfortable reach and is integrated with magnetic docking that secures it in place. There's also an LED temperature indicator that changes color from blue to red as the water temperature rises. While the Essa does have a few drawbacks, such as a more complex installation process than average, it's effective with what it offers. Plus, the faucet's auto shut-off function automatically cuts the water after 4 minutes to ensure minimal water wastage. Number 5. Kraus Bolden KPF 1610 Kitchen Faucet. Best commercial style. This faucet is more functional than it is pretty and is one of the most popular choices for a commercial style model. Offering nothing too extravagant besides durable construction, effective water functions, and a responsive neck, it should be perfect for those who enjoy utility-driven, minimalistic design. This Kraus faucet, beyond its bold aesthetics, catches the eye with its streamlined construction, and its even more impressive hands-on. It features a sprayer head with a function switch that uses pressure triggering to put the water in stream mode every time it's turned on. The retraction feels well-weighted and satisfying, despite the fact that the docking arm scratches the head quite easily if you're not careful. If you want to grab any of the faucets we featured today, all the links, including the 2026 models with the upgraded ceramic disc valves we recommended, are waiting for you in the description box below. Those links are verified for the best pricing and current availability. If this guide saved you from a costly plumbing mistake, hit that like button. It helps other homeowners find the right faucet too. Share this with someone who's remodeling their kitchen, and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming video on the biggest kitchen sink installation mistakes to avoid. Thanks for watching. Now go upgrade that sink. See you in the next one.